children, the next topic which we are going to deal with is the section formula in coordinate geometry after exercise 7.1. In this, suppose we are having 2 points, okay, on the x-axis and y-axis. Suppose there is a line with point A as x1 y1 coordinate and point B as x2 y2 coordinate, which is divided into two parts with the point P with ratio m1 and m2. Okay, the line is divided in the ratio m1 is to m2 by a point P whose coordinate is x and y. Let us assume that the coordinate of point P is x and y. Okay, so now see the explanation part of it. That is, consider the 2 points A as x1 y1 coordinates and B coordinate is x2 y2. Okay, and let us assume P is a point which divides the line is to which ratios? M1 is to M2 ratio. Okay, line divides the line in the ratio M1 is to M2. That is, the distance of PA will be M1 and distance of PB will be M2. That is why PA upon PB equals to M1 is to M2. Okay, M1 upon M2. Now, we know that these two triangles, this triangle PAQ and triangle BPC or angle PBC, these triangles are similar triangles, is it not? So, similar triangles according to similarity criterion. If the triangles are same, okay, then according to the similarity criterion, we will have what? PA upon PB then equals to AQ upon PC. That means this area, this side, PA upon PB, AQ upon PC and PQ upon BC. Okay, so that is the similarity criterion. Okay, so mark it as equation 1. Now, AQ is how much? This distance from the origin, we know that this one is x1, okay, and this distance from A to this R point, this is y1, right? And this S point, this distance, total distance from here to here, how much it is? X, because we have assumed that the coordinate of P is what? X comma y. So from here to S, that means from the origin to S, the distance is how much? X. This distance is S. After that we will see from O to T. What is the distance? This distance from the origin to T. This distance is x2. Right? Now same way from here to P. What is the distance? This is y. And from T to B. What is the distance? y2. So only this distance BC will be. From here to here, how much it will be? Total distance minus this distance. Is it not? Total BT distance minus CT distance. So this will be how much? This BC distance will be how much? y2 minus y. Clear? Same way PQ distance will be what? This total distance PS distance minus QS distance. So this will be what? Y minus Y1. Understood? Same way this distance, RS distance. This distance will be how much? This will be total distance, that is X minus this distance, that is X1. Same way this distance, how much it will be? That is total distance X2 minus this distance, that is X. Now understood? So this is what? ST, and this is what? BC, and this is PQ. Okay, clear? Understood? So now here AQ is how much? AQ, this one will be how much? X minus X1, wrote there OS minus OR, this total distance minus OR, that is x minus x1. Clear, understood? Same way PC will be how much? That is total distance, that is x2 minus x. Got it? Clear? Same way PQ. PQ this height. How much it will be? Total distance, that is PS minus QS. So that is equals to PS is how much? Y minus Y1. Wrote there Y minus Y1. Clear? Same way BC. This distance will be how much? That is total distance Y. Y2 minus Y. Got it? Clear? After that, substituting these values in the equation 1. So what you will get? First PA is how much we have written here? PA is M1 and PB is M2. So P1 M1 upon M2 equals to, now this AQ is how much? AQ is x minus x1 upon x2 minus x equals to, same way this PQ is y minus y1 upon PC is y2 minus y. Now only taking this part first. So that is why I wrote taking m1 upon m2 equals to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x. We get what? So now cross multiplication and simplification, you will get x terms. So keep x, take x as common and then find this, you will get m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 upon m1 plus m2. How you got? See here, this is the ref work I am telling you. Okay, this is x minus x1 upon x2 minus x. Now cross multiply likewise. Okay, so what you will get? That is m1 into x2 minus x equals to m2 into x minus x1. Now cross multiply again, this multiplication do it, m1 into x2 minus m1 x equals to, now multiply this, m2x minus m2 x1. Clear? Now x variables wherever it is there, we will bring it to one side. Okay, the other variables we will bring it to the other side. So that what it will be, m1 x2 plus this will come this side. By transposing you will get m2, because here it was minus, so it will become plus. So x1 equals to m2x plus this minus will go that side and become plus m1x. Clear? Implies m1 x2 plus m2 x1 equals to, here what is common? X is common, take x common, so m2 plus m1. Okay, implies what? Take x equals to, divide, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. In plus, if you write m1 plus m2 or m2 plus m1, sense is same. So I can write as m1 plus m2. So got this value? See here, got this? So this way you have to simplify. So directly I wrote like this. So I think now there is no confusion. Same way, now second time taking this value, m1 upon m2 equals to this part, we will take, and then same way cross multiply and you will get the value of y as m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now x and y are what? The coordinates of the point which divides this line AB into m1 and m2 ratio, right? So coordinate of P point you got what? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So these are the two coordinate points of x-axis and y-axis for the point P. That means P coordinates are m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. This is for x coordinate value, and then y1 is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is the coordinate for y-axis. Okay, so this is called our section formula. So based on this only your 7.2 exercise will be solving. One more important thing is section 7.3, that is 7.4, that is our area. Next exercise, that is 7.3, whole exercise is eliminated. It is removed from the syllabus for this year, that is area of triangle. This exercise we will have, that is 7.2 we will solve, but 7.3 is not there for this year. Okay, now let us have exercise questions of 7.2. Okay, before that you have some examples. Go through the examples. If you are not able to understand, you may ask. Okay, now see exercise 7.2, first question. First question is find the coordinate of the point which divides the line of points -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay, which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Now let us see the solution of it. Let P be the point, okay, with coordinate x and y. Let P coordinates are x and y be the required point, okay, that divides -7, -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay, so for this case let M1 be here. M1 is how much? 2, and M2 is how much? 3. Now x1 will be what? -1, y1 will be 7, x2 will be 4 and y2 will be -3. Okay, now putting these all in our section formula, we will get the coordinate of x and y, value of x and y for that particular point P coordinates. Okay, now using section formula we get x equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Formula we know. Now substitute the values m1, m2, x1, y1, x2, y2 wherever it is given. Put and you will get the value of x as 1 and y as 3. Okay, so x and y are the coordinates of which point? Point P. Therefore, the point P is having the coordinate 1, because what is the value of x? That is 1. So, in place of x, we will write 1, and in place of y, how much you got? 3. So, in place of y, we will write 3. Clear? Understood? Formula is not known and here values are given. So, put the values and solve the particular fractions. That means the ratios and all, you will solve the particular substitution values and solve it. You will get the values for this x and y. Okay, now let us see the second question. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Trisection means a particular line is divided into 3 same parts, means 3 equal parts. That is called trisection. Tri means 3. Okay. Trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Means the line is having this A, B is the line with coordinates. A coordinate is 4, -1 and B coordinate is -2, -3. This line is divided into 3 parts, that is 1 part, 2 part and 3 part. Okay, so this part let it be P and second part let it be Q. So first part that is AP, second part PQ and third part is QB. Okay, so this is having equal parts, means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, so the ratio will be what? If we are considering this P point which divides the line into 3 parts, then the first part will be from here to here, it will be 1, and the second part, that is P to B, will be how much? 2. Clear? Because Q is included in it. So this distance from P to B will be 2 ratio. And now suppose we are taking Q as a point which divides this line, divides the line in ratio 2:1, because this distance P to A to Q will have P a point in it, so this distance will be 2 and this ratio will be 1. Okay, so first one we will take as P is the point which divides the line AB. So here let P equals to x1, P coordinates are x1, y1 and Q coordinate is x2, y2 are the points of trisection. Okay, are the points, these two are the points of trisection. This is one section, this is two section and this is third section, trisection. Okay, line of the line segment joining the points, that is AP equals to PQ, because all are equal as I said. So AP is equals to PQ is equals to QB. Okay, so now therefore P points, point P divides AB into 1:2 ratio, because all are equal one. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So if P is the point divides, means this ratio will be 1 and this ratio will be what? 1 plus 1 means whole line will be what? This particular P to B will be 2. Same way, if Q is the point which divides, so these 2 points will, these 2 section will be added up. So this will be what? 2 and this part will be 1. Clear? So first P divides AB into 1:2 ratio. Then we will find what is the coordinates of P, that is x1 and y1. So we will find x1 and y1 using the same formula, section formula. Put the value. This will be for P point, this will be M1, this will be M2. Okay, for P point this will be M1, this will be M2, this will be, this particular will be x1, y1 and this point will be x2, y2 and this is x and y. x1 is given, so this will be what? Coordinate of x and y, suppose. So with this we will put the values in the form section formula and we'll get the value as x1 as on solving. Okay, m1, m2, x2, x1, then upon m1 plus m2, all these values you will get from here. This one will be x1 value, this one will be y1 value, this will be x2 value, this will be y2 value. Likewise in the formula you substitute, you will get the coordinate of this particular P point. Okay, so that is P point coordinates will be what? P is 2 comma minus 5 upon 3 after substituting the values. Now second part, that is if Q be the point which divides this line AB in 2:1 ratio, then what will be the coordinate of Q? So Q coordinate will be x2 equals to, again, now this will be M1 and this will be M2 for Q point. Q point M1 value will be 2 and M2 value will be 1, and then the other values are given, this one and this one. So you will get x2 and y2 after putting the values of M1, then x2, x1, then M2 upon M1 plus M2. Okay, from here, and then on solving you will get x2 as 0 and y2 as minus 7 upon 3. So what will be the coordinate of Q? That is x2 comma y2 equals to Q. Then x2 value how much you got? 0 and y2 is how much you got? Minus 7 upon 3. So what will be the coordinate of P here? P coordinate will be how much? That is equals to how much you got here? That is 2 comma minus 5 upon 3. And what is the coordinate of Q you got? That is 0 comma minus 7 upon 3. Okay, so that will be the answer. After that, let us see the third question. Third question is to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped ground A, B, C, D line have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. Okay, 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. Okay, you can see the figure. Figure is given in the book. As shown in figure this. Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD. So total distance of AD is given as 100. Okay. So AD on the second line and post a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line and post a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? Okay, this is the question. Now let us have the solution. It is observed that Niharika posted the green flag at 1/4 of the distance AD. It is given in question. Okay, so that is 1/4 of 100, because total partition, that how many posts were there for that flowering pots? 100. So that is 1/4 of 100, that is equals to 25 meter. Okay, from the starting point of second line. Okay, same way the coordinate of this point G. Okay, the coordinate of this point G will be what? Second line. Second line she is running, she has posted the green flag. So 2 comma, what is the position of D? That means in that line AD she ran, so that is 25. Here we got 1/4 of 100 is 25. So what will be the coordinate of G? That is 2 comma 25. Similarly, Preet posted red flag. Okay, at 1/5 of the distance of AD. So distance of AD is 100. So 1/5 of 100 will be how much? 20. Okay, so 1/5 of 100 will be 20 meter. So from the starting point of 8th line. So x-axis will be how much? 8th line. So x coordinate will be 8. So the coordinates of the point R is, that is 8, that is 8th line. So 8 x coordinate will be 8 and y coordinate will be 20. Okay, so these two positions of the coordinate we got points. These 2 points coordinates we go. Now distance between the flag GR means distance between G and R point. How much it will be? Equals to square root of distance formula we know, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x1, x2, y1, y2. Got it? Here x1, y1, x2, y2. Points you got it. Put that and you will get how much? Root 61 meter. Okay. The point at which Rashmi should post her blue flag is the midpoint of joining these points. That means the midpoint of the points. Okay, between these two midpoint she is posting. Okay, like suppose here the line is given, here G is there and here R is there, G and R. So blue will come here just in between, the midpoint of this. So how will you get midpoint? That is x value of this one plus x coordinate of this one upon 2. So here x coordinate of this first one G is how much? 2 plus x coordinate of second one, that is 8. So 2 plus 8 upon 2. So 2 plus 8 upon 2 will be how much? 10 upon 2, that is equals to 5. Same way y coordinate will be what? y1 plus y2 upon 2. So here y1 is how much? 25 and y2 is 20. So 25 plus 20 upon 2. So that is 45 upon 2 equals to 22 upon 22.5. Clear? Therefore, hence A, that is x comma y, will be how much? That means this point, midpoint will be how much? That is 5 comma 22.5. So Rashmi should post her blue flag at 22.5 on fifth line, because first x-axis is for line and this is for posting the flower. Okay, so Rashmi has to post the flower flag at 22.5 meter on fifth line.